Howdy folks, I think it's still the 11th, just about to turn over to the 12th of December 2021, and I've got a bomb link. It's all about the high five, right? V for Vendetta. So the link is to La Quinta Columna, the Spanish group that were investigating the squirts and found a lot of the grapho, and also they've been reporting on different injuries related to the squirts, in particular athletes dropping around high five antennas. Now, over the course of the last couple of years, truthers have speculated as to the sudden dropping out of the sky of birds. And just then I had the thought of the whales that got disorientated, right, and beached themselves. These radio, I don't want to say the words of, anyway, these, right, waves are disrupting the awareness and systems of these animals. And even around here, when they put one on top of the hill, you know what I'm talking about, the tower, when they put that on top of the hill, I noticed, and my son noticed, in various areas around town, birds just lying like that on the ground all of a sudden. And it was only for about a week. I think they must have been doing a bit of testing. I've probably mentioned this before. Sorry, a bit of a pain. I think I mentioned it before that I think that was in the comments of another channel, Look Out for Charlie, who's really good on voice to skull and different frequencies, and recording them, picking them up and finding the hidden messages in them, which can be a lot of the explaining of people hearing voices. Anyway, not to get sidetracked. So I've just seen the most amazing video of, when I've actually filmed them when the starlings are on the power lines here and they take off the power lines, just boing, boing, and they're all swirling around. Well, anyway, in Spain, next to a hospital with a high five antenna, the birds have taken off in two groups and just gone bang and just gone boom on the ground, smashed, and then the rest of them just went whoa and got the hell out of there. But yeah, just interesting to listen to this report and how they're trying to cover up what was the cause by saying what it probably wasn't, but not what it could be. And it seems quite obvious. And these guys are really cluey. The doctor who's in La Quinta Columna was an independent doctor who, listened to his story, he was from France. And he seems like a really, seems the wrong word to use. He comes across to me as a genuine fellow, Anyway, it's pretty evident what happens, and all of these natural sort of disasters of animals just in herds dropping to, deer happened to before as well, are all, in my mind, a common phenomena of this time because of what's being unrolled at this time. Of course, they're going to do tests and things. Anyway, go check out this video. I'm so excited about seeing this because it's rare footage for them to be actually able to capture them falling out of the sky instead of just seeing flocks of them on the ground and going, what happened? Now it seems to be evident. It's just like the whales, okay? It's messing up their systems of location, like they're in a GPS. Anyway, check the link.